Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some curry meatballs. So first I'm going to start off by adding my seasoning. There's curry powder, there's basil, there's cumin, there's black pepper, there's all-purpose seasoning, there's onion powder and garlic powder. Then I'm going to add my onions and thyme. I'm going to go ahead and add my breadcrumbs. I'm going to crack 2 eggs. And I'm going to mix that all up. Make sure to mix up everything. So I added just a little bit more curry powder. Curry meatball making, so we wanted to have the curry flavor. Go ahead and massage in everything. Smells amazing, guys. So at this point I think it needs 1 more egg. So I'm getting ready to roll the meatballs, and one thing you can do so the meat doesn't stick to your gloves is you can keep a little bowl of water so you can dip your hands in them every time. So I'm going to go ahead and dip my hands, and I'm going to scoop it out, and I'm going to roll it like this. So now I'm going to remove them. And this is how the meatballs came out. So now I'm going to add a little bit of ginger powder. I'm out of real ginger, so I'm going to be using the powder today. And I'm going to also add some curry powder as well. And then we're going to mix that around. This is the technique we will call burn curry. Like, you burn the curry before you put it in the whatever meat you're cooking, the curry goat or the chicken or whatever meat you're cooking, as I said. So you kind of burn it. You want to see the grain them come up this up. And when you see the grains, all those little grains there, it's ready. So now I'm going to add my meatballs back. Now we're going to add a little coconut milk. If you taste it and it needs a little bit more seasoning, then you can add some more. Don't forget to add your scotch bonnet.